Paris Saint-Germain have won their second successive Champions League title. Now, penalties were acquired in Budapest as PSG ended Arsenal's hopes of a Champions League Premier League double.
For the first time since 1971, the final brought together clubs from different capital cities. It's 20 years since Arsenal's only previous appearance in the decider. They had the lead 5 minutes in.
Havertz, who's bearing down on goal. They're struggling to get to him in terms of Plateau. Havertz! Rifles it in. What a start for Arsenal. And Kai Havertz, who's done it on the biggest stage at club level, has done it now for Arsenal.
A PSG penalty appeal against Bukayo Saka proved fruitless. The game had just passed the hour mark when Christian Mosquera's challenge on Kavicha Kvaratskhelia did result in a penalty. Ballon d'Or winner Ousmane Dembele stepped up.
Can he hold his nerve here? Up against Raya, he's buried it in the bottom corner, Dembele. And now the game changes. Now what can Arsenal offer?
Nuno Mendes and Noni Madueke tangled in the box. Arsenal had their own penalty appeal rejected. Ultimately, the final was decided from 12 yards. Ebere Eze missed and David Raya saved from Mendes. Gabriel needed to convert to take the shootout into sudden death.
The picture begins. Paris Saint-Germain have defended their Champions League title. Arsenal left devastated.
It's the smallest margins, it's a penalty shootout, it's a lottery, anything can happen. Some of the best teams ever to play the game have lost on penalty shootouts. And we was on the receiving end of that tonight. So look, we're very, very gutted.
PSG are only the 9th club to win European football's biggest prize in successive years. There will be a trophy parade in London tomorrow, and for Arsenal it should and will be joyous. But that first Champions League win remains elusive. Dave Kelly, RTE News.